All right, y'all. Let's get into it, man. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. You see it. You see it. It's what everybody's going crazy about right now. It's the Cowboy Ribeye, baby. And you know what? We're going to do a simple treatment. If you watch my beef rib video, the seasoning is the same. We mixed together 2 cups of kosher salt. 1 cup of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, a tablespoon of lemon pepper, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon or 2 of cayenne pepper. Whatever you like it, however spicy you like it. That same thing is what we have right here. The same thing is going on this steak, man. So we ain't got time to play. Let's get right into it. Big cut of meat. You can go extra happy and silly on this one. When it comes to seasoning, always as always, don't forget your edges. Don't forget your edges. Both sides, you gotta do it. That's it. We ain't doing nothing else to that steak, baby. Y'all stay tuned. We got a hell of a video coming up. Reverse seared Cowboy Ribeye. We're throwing it on the smoker with some post oak first, and then we're gonna blast it on my new charcoal grill, tabletop charcoal grill. So y'all stay tuned. Yeah, boy. Alright guys, now it's time to reverse sear this ribeye. It's going on this smoker right here. And we're going to let it go until it's about, maybe about 110, 115. Then we're going to take it off and go on to the next step. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah, boy looking good, ain't she? Yes, sir. And definitely put some aluminum foil on the bone. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, our Cowboy Ribeye is in the smoker. We're set at about 245, 250 degrees. We're going to leave it in here for probably about an hour. Again, we're going to temp it. Once it gets to about 110, 115, it's coming off, and we're going to blast it on a hot grill. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, while our steak is in there smoking, we're going to go ahead and get our compound butter ready to go. This is what we're going to drizzle on top of this steak at the very end to take it notches unknown. We have 2 tablespoons of butter. This is about a teaspoon and a half of pureed garlic, and then this is about a teaspoon and a half of pureed cilantro. That's my combo when it comes to steaks. That pureed cilantro just, man, trust me on that one, man. That thing takes it notches unknown. So we're going to let that sit there. We're going to let the butter melt down a little bit. We're going to mix it together, and that's going on top of our steak. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah, boy. Woo. All right. We are about, I don't know if you can see through the smoke, but we are about 40 minutes into it. So, I'm going to check the temp and see where we're sitting at on this temp. We're sitting at about 120. I think it's time to take it on off. Alright, we took our steak off. Look at it, man. Look at the color on that thing, man. Look at the color. That color is amazing. So we're getting ready to light our charcoal grill up. On to the next step. Alright guys, I don't have a infrared instant read thermometer, but what I can tell you is that sucker is extremely hot, and this little grill is holding up. Here's our steak right here on the smoker for about 40 minutes. We're going on. We are going on. We're going to take it to about 125, let it walk its way to 130. We only want to get some nice char on both sides, and that's it. Stay tuned. Let's flip it over. Yeah, boy. Let's take a temp on it real quick. Let's see. What are we looking at? We're at about 123. We're going to take it off at 125. Yeah, boy. We'll Look at that, man. Look at that. Ooh, yes, sir. Alright, y'all. Time to cut. We're going to let it rest for a little bit. And then we're going to dress it out. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, we're going to take it off. We're going to take it off and let it rest. I'm not putting foil over this. It's extremely hot out here. And putting foil over this is only going to make it cook even more. So, what I will do is I will take some of my garlic cilantro butter and put it on top. Yeah. Just to help it stay moist until we get ready to cut it. Yes, sir. Stay tuned. That's a beautiful thing right there, baby. All right. There's our beautiful steak right there. Let's go ahead and get it cut. Let's see how we did. Of course, you're gonna always take it off the bone. There it is. Let's get into it. I let it rest for a total of 10 minutes, actually. Oh man, look at that. I'm gonna cut some nice big chunks. Ooh, doggy. Let's fan that thing on out. Man, look at that. Ooh, Lord. That thing is beautiful. That thing is beautiful right there. That thing is beautiful. I gotta turn that around. Is it in the shot? That thing is beautiful. And all I do to finish it off, hit it with a little flake sea salt. Bam, there it is. Enjoy. Yo, I could not let it go by. When I close this video out without getting me a taste. Look at that cilantro garlic butter. Oh my God, come on. Let me tell you something. Hands down, the emperor of the cul-de-sac. Cowboy Ribeye. Y'all be good. And as always, good food, good vibes. I'll catch y'all on the next one, baby. Yeah, boy.